looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending.
Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubberny. Today I'll be making vegan wild rice stir fry. This is a recipe for those living the alkaline lifestyle. Let's do it. So 2 days ago I released a video showing you how to cook wild rice. It was a short video in which I showed you the benefits of eating wild rice over other types of rice. I talked about the proper way to wash it and I also showed you how to cook it without soaking it overnight. So those same steps, except for one small detail, will be the preliminary steps in this recipe. In other words, I'm keeping everything the same, including the measurements, the washing and the cooking. The only thing I'll be changing up is the liquid. So instead of cooking the rice with 4 cups of water, I'll be using 2 cups of water and 2 cups of vegetable stock.
This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
Today's recipe calls for alkaline-friendly ingredients. I'll also be borrowing some from my previous videos. I'll be sure to refer to them during the course of this video. Since alkaline lifestyle is highly restrictive with the types of ingredients we can use, we'll have to improvise. Speaking of improvising, today I'll be making soy sauce using portobello mushrooms. Let's get started.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending.
Slice and dice 1 whole red bell pepper and set it aside. Be careful and watch your fingers.
Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Next, slice and dice 1 whole green bell pepper and set it aside.
Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
Peel and chop a whole onion. I found that leaving the stem on the onion while cutting it will reduce the fumes that make you cry.
So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. You better go, go, go.
Next, we'll need a thumb size of ginger root. I should say my thumb size. So the best way to peel a ginger root is with a spoon. I'm sure you all know that. I'm not sure why I said that, but I guess I'm trying to sound smart. Cut your ginger into matchsticks, then mince them as finely as you can. Next, we'll need a handful of grape tomatoes. A handful if you have mighty hands like mine, and 2 handfuls if you have puppy paws. Anyway, slice your grape tomatoes in half and set aside. Next, we'll be making our mushroom and soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to a pan. You can also use avocado oil. Add some sliced portobello mushrooms to the pan once it's hot.
Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you.
Add a pinch of salt and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Right now, say it with your chest now. Say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here.
Add some fresh basil.
It's my time to run it out.
To make the soy sauce, which we'll be using later on, add a 1/4 cup of vegetable stock.
I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now.
Once it heats up, it's ready.
Time to run it out. It's my time. It's my time. It's my
The dark brown liquid is my makeshift soy sauce.
time. It's your time. Oh.
Now it's time for our main dish. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to a pan, then spread it around. If you have a walk, that will work too.
I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you.
Toss in the chopped onions and saute until translucent.
Yeah, but that poison's gonna kill you.
Add your minced ginger, then add your diced red and green bell peppers.
Just say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out.
Saute on medium-high for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how crunchy you like your vegetables.
I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now.
Add your wild rice. You can add your herbs and spices right now, but I like to wait until I've added the rice.
It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh, if you're on the bus, say yeah. Yeah. If you're on a train, say yeah. Yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Yeah. Young or old, I really don't care. Yeah. Life has never really been fair. Yeah. So put your fist up in the air. Yeah. Say yeah.
For the next ingredient, we'll have to go down memory lane. So if you recall, last week I showed you how to properly peel, cut, and cube a butternut squash. I also showed you how to season and roast it in the oven. That's the same butternut squash recipe I'll be adding to today's recipe. Back to the present. Add some roasted butternut squash and mix properly. For the next ingredient, we'll have to go back in time again. Another flashback to a couple weeks ago when I showed you how to make my chickpea scrambled eggs. If you recall, it was effortless and delicious. Again, that's the same recipe I'll be using in today's recipe. Let's return to the present. Add your chickpea scrambled eggs, then toss in your grape tomatoes and let it cook for a minute or two.
I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest.
Finally, add some raw sesame seeds, then you're done.
Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out.
Remember my makeshift mushroom soy sauce? Well, this is it.
Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed making it for you all. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.
From the inside out, it's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me